SpeedBox is a quick connect mounting system for ceiling fans and light fixtures. It enables anyone to install, maintain, or replace a ceiling fixture in seconds. Here's how it works. SpeedBox consists of two parts: a bracket that connects to the ceiling and the building power supply, and an adapter that connects to the top of the ceiling fan and its wiring. The SpeedBox ceiling bracket connects to the existing ceiling fan box and building wiring. SpeedBox demystifies the electrical work with push-in electrical connections and labels for where each wire goes. The electrical leads inside of the bracket connect to contacts exposed on the inside of the SpeedBox lower flange. With the building wiring connected, simply attach SpeedBox to the existing ceiling box with conventional screws. It's rated for fans and fixtures up to 75 pounds. Back on the ground, attach the SpeedBox adapter to the fan down rod and the fixture wiring. The adapter screws directly to the top of any standard fan down rod and features screw-down connections for fixture strand wire. Next, lift the fan into place and twist 90 degrees to secure the fan to the ceiling and connect it to the building electrical supply in a single step. Finally, slide the fan canopy into place, turn the power back on, and enjoy your new fan. As you can see, SpeedBox not only saves time, but it also offers a number of other benefits and opens up a number of unique applications. If you are interested in incorporating SpeedBox into your product line or featuring it as an aftermarket installation kit on your retail shelves, we'd love to hear from you.